Feeling the pressure of constant change? The business world never stands still, and staying stagnant is a recipe for decline. Between hot new tech, fickle customer demands, and ever-shifting markets, even the most successful companies can feel like they're one misstep away from getting swept away. The key to staying relevant and rocking the competition lies in your ability to embrace change. That's where leadership comes in. They play a critical role in championing change management in transformation. Why is change management essential in business transformation? Imagine embarking on a major organizational change and transformation. While the potential benefits are exciting, navigating such change can be disruptive. Employees accustomed to existing processes might resist the new ways of working, leading to inefficiencies, confusion, and ultimately, a failed transformation effort. A failure that costs your company a lot of time and money. Change management transformation strategy bridges this gap. It's a structured approach to guide your workforce through change, ensuring they understand the rationale behind it, have the skills to adapt, and feel empowered to embrace new opportunities. Here's why change management is vital for your transformation journey. Increased user adoption, minimized resistance, enhanced employee engagement, improved communication and collaboration, reduced risk of project failure. What are the benefits of a dedicated change management team? Change management teams possess the expertise and resources to design and implement successful change management strategies. This includes providing strategic planning and execution, targeted communications, training, resistance management, and adoption tracking. How can leaders properly support organizational change? Leadership's active support of business transformation and change management is essential to its success. Here's how they can lead from the front. Clearly articulate the vision. Lead by example. Empower your change management team. Embrace open communication. And recognize and celebrate successes. By championing change management, business leaders take on the crucial role of guiding their organization through periods of transformation. With a dedicated change management team by their side, they can ensure transformational change is not just successful but sustainable. Change management tools to power success. Ensure your change management team has the resources it needs to succeed. This includes all-in-one software for managing change and transformation. OCMS Portal platform is designed to power a successful change management and business transformation process. Sign up for a free trial now at ocmsolution.com.